In real-world data, tuples with missing values of some attributes are common occurrence. Describe various methods for handling this problem. The various for handling the problem of missing values in data tuples include ignoring the tuple. This is usually done when when the class label is missing, assuming the mining task involves classification of this description. This method is not very effective unless the tuple contains several missing values. It is especially poor when the percentage of missing values per attributes varies considerably. Manually filling in the missing values. Pangalawa, manually filling in the missing values. In generally, this approach is time assuming and may not be a reasonable task for large data sets with many missing values, especially when the value to be filled is not easily determined. Pangatlo is using a global constant to fill the missing value. Replace all missing attributes values by the same constant as a label, unknown or infinite. If missing values are replaced by say unknown, then the mining program may mistakenly think that they form an interesting concept. Since they all have a value in common, that of unknown. Hence, although this is method simple, it is not recommended. Ang pangapat ay using measure of central tendency for the attributes such as the mean for symmetric numeric data, the median for asymmetric numeric data, or the mode for numeric data. For example, suppose that the average income of all electronics customers in $28,000 and that the data are symmetric. Use this value to replace any missing values for income. Ang pang-anim, using the attributes mean for numeric quantitative values or attributes made for numeric value for all sample belonging to the same class as the given tuple. For example, if classifying customers according to credit risk, replace the missing value with the average income value for customers in the same risk category that of the given tuple. If the data are numeric and skewed, use the median value. Ang pangpito ay using the most probable value to fill in the missing value. This may be determined with regression inference-based tools using Bayesian formalism or decision tree induction. For example, using the other customer attributes in your data sets, you may construct a decision tree to predict the missing value for income. That's all. Yun lamang po.